Hello and welcome to room 514. So we're staying in the Bayview ST Hotel here in Silema, and it's a inland view double room that we've booked here with a balcony. So let's just give you a guided tour, just show you what you get for your money here. So obviously you get a nice queen size double bed. There are lights either side. One nice feature, if I can just point this out, is that there's USB sockets either side that you can obviously charge your appliances up with, and of course being Malta, it's UK 3-pin plugs as well, so really useful for us Brits when we're travelling here. Aircon, much needed. Controls on the wall here. So just behind us over here we've got tea and coffee making facilities, fantastic, and we got some cupboards, and there is a little safe here as well. Now it looks like we've got to go down to reception to get a key for that, to lock the safe, so we probably may have to pay a deposit for that key. We've got a fridge for keeping drinks, but also importantly medicines cool if you need to. We've got some stowage space for our cases and some hanging rails there, some extra pillows as well, they feel really nice and soft. Okay, we've got a large screen TV on the wall here. Okay, and again being Malta, we'll have some British channels here as well. And then let's take the all-important bathroom area. So it's quite compact, quite small, but we've got a nice walk-in shower cubicle there, hairdryer on the wall, soaps and a vanity mirror there, and obviously a loo. And obviously if you look behind over there, you will also see another decent sized mirror, so that we can all get ourselves super smart for when we're going out to Sliema later on. Let's have a quick look at the balcony that we've got. So 514, it's an inland view. There are rooms with a sea view. They would be very nice if you had one. But we've got a small balcony with chairs and tables. And actually, it's a nice southern facing view here, out here, with a little bit of a sun trap. So if you want to sit and bake out in the sun, it's actually quite nice to sit out. So overall thoughts, I'd say pretty good. Thanks very much. So a little update on the safe. I've just popped down reception and they've given me this key and this lock. Okay, and that's cost me €10 as a deposit, and that then opens the safe or locks the safe, and then you can put all your valuables inside. And then when you depart the hotel and you check out, you give them back the lock and the key, and they give you your €10 back. So that's a result. Subscribing to our channel is the easiest way to help us with more content like this, and it really means a lot too. And if you've got anything to say about this video, why not drop us a comment in the box below? We always reply. Thanks very much.